Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Leo, let's see what's up. Links. Ang links is about taking action. You are also very independent, no? So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nakatira pa sa parents ninyo, maaring aalis na kayo sa poder ng parents nyo to be more independent. Or maaring kayo ay may trabaho tapos you want to be your own boss. Ganyan. You are also going to tap into your instinct, to your intuition, kung saan ka sa tingin mo mas mapapabuti. Kasi minsan nararamdaman natin yan na, parang ito na yung time para mag-resign or ito na yung time para i-pursue naman yung aking passion, 'di ba? You will feel it. Mountain. Ayan. Mountain is alignment. Oo. So, ina-align mo na yung sarili mo sa goal mo. You are looking at your goal. Kumbaga, tanaw na tanaw mo na. Kailangan mo na lang talagang mag-take ng action to get there, no? Para makarating ka doon sa goal mo. So, ibig sabihin yan, may malinaw ka na na focus. May malinaw ka na goal. You have the rose. Rose is when we think, when we love, it's like parang connected pa rin sa what you are passionate about, no? So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, hahanapin nyo yan. Hahanapin nyo yung passion nyo. Hahanapin nyo yung makakapagpasaya sa inyo. So, some of you, pwede rin, kaya kayo magiging independent, pwedeng aalis na kayo sa poder ng parents nyo kasi mag-aasawa na kayo or meron na kayong bagong family. Your overall energy is the Ace of Cups. This is a new love, new beginning, new source of happiness. So if you are, kung kayo ay active, sexually active, meron kayong partner, pwede ring merong bagong baby or may baby na parating. Ace of Cups is also your kumbaga yung goal mo sa buhay, nai-inspire ka dun sa goal mo. So you are finally taking action doon. Your challenge is the 10 of Wands. Ang challenge niyo is parang feeling nyo, you are tied up, no? Parang marami kang ibang opportunity. Marami kang ibang mga limitations, responsibilities na nagiging dahilan para hindi mo masimulan yung gusto mong gawin. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung gaano mo talaga kagusto. Kasi sabi nga, kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Your opportunity is the 8 of Cups. So, 'di ba? This is change. Shift. May nag-shift ng energy. Okay? 8 of Cups is also about leaving a situation. Merong iiwanang sitwasyon para makapag-focus sa ibang bagay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng bakit lumabo? Ayun. Yung iba sa inyo, let's say, magre-resign para makapag-focus sa business, magre-resign para makapag-focus sa family. So, you are letting go of something. And at the same time, meron kang bagong direction. Ooh! The Tower is your blessing, oh. Talagang this is release of anything that is no longer serving you. So, kumbaga, nandun yung opportunity sa inyo na umalis sa ganyang sitwasyon at magsimula. mag-focus sa kung saan kayo masaya, kung saan yung nararamdaman nyo na mas fulfilling na gawin para sa inyo. Let's see what else. Yung iba, this is blessing in disguise, no? Ito yung ang example lang naman to, no? Example lang to. Ewan ko kung fina-follow nyo to sa TikTok, but yung sa US na nagkaroon ng LA fires, 'di ba? Dun sa LA. Marami doon nasunugan at nawalan talaga totally ng ng livelihood ng bahay. And then silang mag-asawa, meron silang ginawang paraan para mas makilala sila sa social media. And then yun yung nagbigay ng daan para mas maging successful sila ngayon or parang makapag-generate ng income at kumbaga mas nakikilala sila ngayon, no? So ganun yung energy ng blessing in disguise. Meron mang kailangang i-let go, meron mang nawala sa'yo, pero meron yung kapalit. Lalo na kung magiging positibo yung pananaw mo, may magandang magiging kapalit yun. Kumbaga, hindi mo aakalain na yun pala yung babago ng buhay mo. So, you have contemplation. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are going to be more parang focus sa sarili and at the same time spiritual din, no? Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are healing your inner child. Some of you may be taking a break, lalo na kung nakaka-stress na yung mga dati nyong ginagawa, no? So, it's already happening now. So, yung iba sa inyo ngayon na, nangyayari na yan. You are freeing yourself from the limitation. Nag-a-ascend ka, mas umaangat, you are rising, you are nakalagay dito, defying gravity. So, ano man yung mga bagay na nagre-restrict sa'yo, pumipigil sa'yo, ginagawan mo yan ng paraan para makawala ka doon. You are also making yourself more like stronger, no? You're building your strength. Mas nagiging disiplinado ka rin base sa mga goals mo. Kasi 'di ba, yung mga nagji-gym, lalo na kung nagsimula sila na parang hindi sila ganoon ka physically fit. Tapos kung sila ay determinado talaga, disiplinado, for sure talaga na magiging maganda yung resulta nung pag-gym nila, 'di ba? So ganong energy na guaranteed success to kung magiging determined ka talaga at saka disiplinado, o 'di ba? You're going to be very confident rin, assertive, and passionate sa mga ipupursue mo ngayong February. Let's see what else. Angel, you are spiritually guided. Maaring kayo ay merong merong guide, spiritual guide. You are always protected from harm. So maaring you are also making affirmations that you are always protected. Time to act. Ayan na, Leo. Sinasabi na sa inyo na gumawa na raw kayo ng action. It's time to act. Keep your life in balance. Siyempre, kailangan din work-life balance. Hindi lang sa isang bagay nakafocus yung attention mo. Dahil may mga iba ka pa ring responsibilities. Great passion. Some of you, you're going to hone your skills, your passion, and yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng fulfillment. Great satisfaction in life. Okay. As your final message for Leo. Patience. Maaring ngayong February, the universe will test your patience. It is safe to wait. Yes, may mga bagay na kailangan mong hintayin dahil may proseso na kailangan pagdaanan. 'Di ba? At kung ito ay nagdaan sa tamang proseso, so rest assured, magiging maganda yung resulta niyan. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much and see you again.